Okay. We need to talk about Becky. This is her.
Time out.
Hey. You see this devilish grin on her face?
No, let me zoom in.
No.
Not really clear, but alright.
Okay. Yeah, we love her. Anyways. Say hi, Becky.
Hey.
Hey, Becky!
Hey, Becky, we love you.
Okay.
I haven't heard from you in a while, by the way, chick.
Yeah, we don't appreciate that, okay? That's not
Moving
cool.
on to the next slut.
Anyway, well, that's me. Obviously. And then there's Russia.
Woo!
Nice shirt.
Rocking that shirt. Copycat. That's my shirt. That's my
shirt.
shirt. She's rocking my shirt, man.
No, it's mine.
Put your glasses back on, you faggot.
God, shut up. Okay. And there's Cookie. We love her. She's our best friend.
Cookie.
Yeah. Shut
Cookie.
up. You don't understand, okay? And then there's two sluts. We don't like them at all.
Oh, I like Taylor.
I'm just
Jason's
kidding.
okay. He's not that bad.
I'm
They're pretty gangster. They're pretty G.
Winsworth. We're just kidding, and that's not my real laugh, so yeah, whatever.
Elmo.
These are my best friends.
Do a flip. We don't have time for all these pictures.
Here's my
Do
husband.
the flip.
Here's my husband.
What's his name?
Caleb.
Ooh.
Ooh.
She's a creeper.
Okay.
We know.
Yeah, and now it's flip time in the hood. White kids can jump, huh?
What was that?
White kids can jump.
Did I hear a racial slur?
No, actually, that wasn't a racial slur. Sorry.
Don't get Chrissy with me.
Uh-huh. That's what they used to call my mom, Chrissy. Okay. Okay. Hi, Samantha. We love you. I guess. Hi, Lexi.
We don't know her. We can't just do that. Say hi to Veronica.
Hey, stupid slut that nobody likes. What's up? Okay, do you like Veronica?
She's alright.
I'll say something more. I'm not the only one.
No, I don't like her that much. She kind of makes me mad sometimes.
Stupid racist.
About right.
I'm sick of these glasses.
We all love